me how you hop like a kangaroo? Can you show me how you hop like a kangaroo? Are you obsessed with Elmo? He's over here.
All right, Gia. Right now, we're going to sing the ABC song. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, B. Yeah, that's right. Q, R, S, Q, T, Z, C, W, Now I know my ABC. Good job. Where's your face? There it is. Where's your cute face? Let me see it. There it is. You're goofy. You're so goofy.